The significance of kidney health in sustaining overall well-being cannot be overstated. These vital organs serve as natural filters, purifying our blood, regulating fluid balance, and aiding in the removal of waste products from the body. Optimal kidney function is pivotal for maintaining a healthy internal environment, making proactive care essential. While various factors contribute to kidney health, nutrition plays a pivotal role, and the choices made at the beginning of each day significantly impact the body's renal health. Morning nutrition sets the tone for the day, influencing energy levels, metabolism, and overall vitality. Understanding the profound impact of breakfast choices on kidney health prompts a closer look at the foods best suited to support these vital organs. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods into the morning routine not only ensures a nutritious start, but also aids in fortifying the kidneys, promoting their well-being in the long run. This video is dedicated to exploring the top 5 natural morning foods specifically beneficial for kidney health. The selection criteria for these foods revolve around their nutrient density, low sodium and phosphorus content, and their known renal protective properties. By delving into these foods' nutritional values and benefits, individuals seeking to support their kidney health will gain insights into making informed dietary choices from the moment they wake up. Additionally, practical tips on integrating these foods into morning meals, addressing misconceptions, and personalizing diets for individual needs aim to empower readers in nurturing their kidneys through mindful morning nutrition choices. Exploring the role of nutrition in kidney health. Understanding the intricate relationship between nutrition and kidney health underscores the significance of mindful dietary choices in preserving these vital organs' function. Kidneys play a pivotal role in maintaining the body's internal equilibrium by regulating fluid levels, filtering waste products, and balancing electrolytes. Nutrition stands as a cornerstone in supporting these functions, influencing the kidney's overall health and performance. Key components of a kidney-friendly diet encompass various aspects. Controlling sodium intake is imperative, as excessive sodium can elevate blood pressure and burden the kidneys. Similarly, managing phosphorus intake is crucial, as high levels can be detrimental to kidney health, particularly for individuals with kidney disease. Furthermore, monitoring protein consumption, as excessive protein can strain the kidneys, is vital for their well-being. Morning nutrition holds a distinctive position in this context. Breakfast choices set the stage for the day, impacting energy levels and nutrient intake. A balanced morning meal with foods beneficial for kidney health not only kickstarts the body's metabolism, but also contributes to optimal renal function throughout the day. The morning hours present an opportune time to introduce kidney-friendly foods that support these vital organs' health. Selecting nutrient-dense, low-sodium and phosphorus-conscious foods for breakfast lays a foundation for nurturing kidney health. By exploring the nexus between morning nutrition and kidney function, individuals can proactively prioritize their well-being, harnessing the power of food to fortify and support their kidneys for sustained health. Criteria for selection. Choosing kidney-friendly morning foods. The selection of morning foods tailored to support kidney health hinges on several fundamental criteria. Understanding these criteria empowers individuals to make informed choices when curating their morning meals for optimal kidney support. Nutrient density. Optimal kidney health thrives on nutrient-rich foods. Selecting items abundant in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants ensures a well-rounded nutritional profile. Nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide the body with essential nutrients while minimizing excessive sodium and phosphorus content. Low sodium and phosphorus content. High sodium intake can elevate blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Similarly, excess phosphorus, often found in processed foods, dairy, and certain proteins, may pose challenges for kidney function, especially in individuals with kidney disease. Choosing morning foods with limited sodium and phosphorus content safeguards against undue stress on the kidneys. Foods with renal protective properties. Certain foods boast renal protective properties, actively contributing to kidney health. For instance, incorporating foods rich in antioxidants like berries or bell peppers aids in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting kidney function. Additionally, sources of healthy fats, such as nuts, seeds, and avocados, may offer anti-inflammatory benefits, supporting kidney health. The amalgamation of these criteria delineates a blueprint for selecting morning foods conducive to kidney health. By embracing nutrient-dense, low-sodium, and renal protective foods in their morning nutrition, individuals prioritize their kidneys' well-being, setting a foundation for sustained health and vitality throughout the day. Top 5 morning foods beneficial for kidney health. Berries, rich in antioxidants and low in sodium. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, offer potent anti-inflammatory properties that benefit kidney health. Their high content of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients contributes to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting overall kidney function. Oatmeal, a hearty breakfast option. Oatmeal is a fiber-rich whole grain with low sodium and phosphorus levels. Its soluble fiber content aids in regulating cholesterol levels and promoting digestive health. Oatmeal serves as a versatile base for incorporating kidney-friendly toppings like berries or nuts. Red bell peppers, vibrant and nutrient-packed. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and provide a significant dose of vitamins A, C, and B6. Their antioxidant properties help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to kidney health. Egg whites, a lean source of protein. Egg whites are low in phosphorus and a kidney-friendly alternative to whole eggs. Their high-quality protein content supports muscle health without burdening the kidneys with excess phosphorus. Cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly morning meal. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and compounds that aid in neutralizing toxic substances, supporting kidney function. Incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into morning meals lays a solid foundation for promoting renal health. Their nutrient density, low sodium and phosphorus content, and renal protective properties make them invaluable components of a balanced breakfast regimen supportive of optimal kidney function. Integrating kidney-friendly foods into morning routines requires thoughtful planning and creative meal preparation. Incorporating these nutritious elements into breakfasts ensures a wholesome start to the day while actively supporting kidney health. Breakfast ideas. Crafting kidney-friendly breakfasts can include oatmeal topped with berries, nuts, or seeds for added texture and nutritional value. Pairing egg whites with a side of red bell peppers or incorporating cauliflower into a vegetable omelet provides a diverse and kidney-supportive morning meal. Recipe variations. Experimenting with recipe variations offers a myriad of options. For oatmeal enthusiasts, incorporating diced red bell peppers and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds adds both flavor and kidney-healthy nutrients. Creating egg white-based vegetable scrambles with cauliflower or bell peppers infuses breakfast with vital nutrients without compromising on taste. Meal planning. Planning breakfasts in advance aids in ensuring consistent inclusion of kidney-friendly foods. Preparing overnight oats with berries or chopping red bell peppers and cauliflower in advance streamlines morning meal preparation, making it convenient to incorporate these elements into daily routines. Balanced nutrition. While focusing on kidney-friendly foods, it's essential to maintain a balanced breakfast. Pairing these items with adequate hydration, a source of healthy fats and other nutrient-rich components, such as whole grains or additional fruits, ensures a well-rounded morning meal supportive of overall health. By integrating these kidney-friendly foods into morning routines through diverse meal options, creative recipes, and mindful meal planning, individuals foster a habit of prioritizing kidney health while enjoying nutritious and satisfying breakfasts. This proactive approach contributes to a holistic wellness regimen, promoting kidney function and overall well-being. Addressing common misconceptions and concerns. Navigating dietary choices for kidney health often involves dispelling misconceptions and addressing prevalent concerns surrounding morning nutrition. By addressing these misconceptions, individuals can make informed decisions conducive to supporting kidney function. Myth: all fruits and vegetables are equally beneficial. Fact: while fruits and vegetables are essential for a balanced diet, some may contain higher potassium or phosphorus levels. Opting for lower potassium options like berries or apples, and selecting vegetables with lower phosphorus content, such as cauliflower or bell peppers, aids in managing nutrient intake beneficial for kidney health. Fact: while excessive protein intake may strain the kidneys, moderate consumption of high-quality protein sources like egg whites supports muscle health without overburdening the kidneys. Balanced protein intake is crucial for overall health, especially when sourced from lean and low-phosphorus options. Myth: renal diet is restrictive and unpalatable. Fact: adapting to a renal-friendly diet doesn't mean compromising on taste. Creative meal planning, diverse recipes, and flavor-enhancing spices or herbs can transform kidney-friendly foods into delicious and enjoyable meals. Experimentation with various food combinations can make breakfasts both nutritious and appetizing. Addressing concerns and clarifying misconceptions allows individuals to approach kidney-friendly morning nutrition with confidence and clarity. Understanding the nuances of a balanced renal diet empowers individuals to make informed choices, prioritize kidney health, and enjoy flavorful and diverse breakfast options supportive of their overall well-being. In conclusion, morning nutrition stands as a pivotal opportunity to prioritize kidney health, setting the tone for the day with mindful dietary choices. The incorporation of kidney-friendly foods into breakfast not only nurtures these vital organs, but also promotes overall wellness. By embracing nutrient-dense, low-sodium and phosphorus foods such as berries, oatmeal, red bell peppers, egg whites, and cauliflower, individuals embark on a proactive journey towards supporting optimal kidney function. These foods, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential nutrients, contribute to a wholesome morning routine that fortifies the body's internal systems. Dispelling common misconceptions and addressing concerns surrounding renal diets empowers individuals to make informed dietary decisions. This knowledge fosters a balanced approach, encouraging the inclusion of kidney-friendly foods while enjoying diverse, flavorful breakfast options. Integrating these elements into morning routines involves thoughtful planning, creative recipe variations, and mindful meal preparation. By weaving kidney-supportive foods into breakfasts, individuals cultivate a habit of nourishing their bodies and prioritizing renal health from the start of each day. As individuals navigate their morning nutrition journey, the incorporation of these kidney-friendly foods not only supports kidney function, but also contributes to an overall healthy lifestyle. Balancing nutritional needs while relishing flavorful breakfast options ensures a holistic approach to wellness, nurturing the body and fostering sustained well-being for individuals keen on optimizing their kidney health.